Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So Polygon massive jump is coming soon now. What's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis, and what's my opinion, I will discuss you in this video. This is a very brand video now for all of you. If you are new in a crypto market, exactly this video is going to be very important for you, my brother, because if you watch this video, then I will give you 100% guarantee, my brother, to you never lost. Yes, 100% guarantee, my brother. So this time you can see, my brother, the Polygon is completely fails down from last 1 month, my brother, but this time, my friends, the Polygon last 1 day, as you can see here, the chart is on the change occur is on the screen. So this will be showing you, my brothers, to Polygon is completely going the moon now, plus 5.87%. the price is increased now just in the last 24 hours. It's a great news for all of you too. Polygon is starting moving upward now, my friend, and it's a priority for all coin in the same time. It's a really great news, my friend, for all of you. You know what's the main reason to this coin is starting moving upward now. These reasons, my friends, especially absolutely, if you know, so you understand to really do Polygon will moving upward now. The reason is that, my brothers, too, if you are a hold, the holder are starting holding, so therefore, my brother, this coin will be wake off and go in the moon now. So it's a great news for all of you, my brother, and it's priority in the same time for all coins, my brother, because this time XRP, Cardano, VeChain, every coin is very badly fails down. But this time in the all crypto market is wake up. But my friend, this time Polygon is one of the unique, my brother. You can see here exactly, my brother, in the future is also going to be bright now. So my brother, if you know to the future is going to be bright now, so you need to also, my brother, hold it. And if you want to invest more, exactly, this will be very good. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, I just advise you to hold. Otherwise, my brother, they cannot give you a profit. If you want to a good profit, and it's just only in a short time, then I think this coin is very good from you, my brother. Otherwise, please, before you take any decision, research personally, and after that take a decision, my brother. I hope you like this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.